In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change uppercase text to lowercase in Google Sheets. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can easily transform the text in your spreadsheets, making your data more uniform and easier to read. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to Google Sheets on your web browser and either selecting a pre-existing document or starting a new one. Once you have your Google Sheet open, you'll need to focus on the specific cell or column where your uppercase text resides. You'll want to pick a new cell where you'll input a special formula to transform the uppercase text to lowercase. Now, selecting the cell where you want the result to appear is crucial. Click on an empty cell that corresponds to the location of your uppercase data but does not interfere with existing data that you want to keep intact. This will serve as the destination for the lowercase version of your text. Next, it's time to input the formula. In the selected cell, type in the formula equals lower, open parenthesis, followed by the reference to the source cell that contains the uppercase text you want to change. For example, if your uppercase text is in cell A1, the formula would look like this, a lower A1. Once you've typed in the formula, be sure to close it with a parenthesis. With the formula in place, go ahead and press the Enter key. What you should see now is your text from the source cell converted neatly into lowercase in the cell where you entered the formula. This action of pressing Enter confirms the formula and displays the result of the transformation. If you have a list of uppercase text entries and you want them all converted to lowercase, you can save time by using the autofill feature. Simply click on the cell with your newly converted lowercase text and look for the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle over the range of cells you want to apply the formula to. Google Sheets automatically extends the formula to these cells, transforming all the uppercase text to lowercase in just a few simple steps. And there you have it. Using this straightforward method, you can quickly convert uppercase text to lowercase across your Google Sheets, ensuring consistency and improving the readability of your data. Whether you're dealing with names, titles, or any other text, this approach will make managing your spreadsheets a breeze. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheet editing.